All right, that's working. And over here. Am I glitchy or everything smooth, guys? Internet's being funny this morning. Good to go. All right, good. Okay, cool. It is being slow, but I don't know. It's just, it's all right. And the last component is, all right. Guten Morgen, yes. Doing good. Yeah, gold is popping. Gold is popping. I already told you guys to get in gold anyway, so just a couple days ago. You did get in gold. All right, let's take a look at the market chameleon here. So I already got MDLY up. I got OSAT up. I'm going to keep up CLF. We'll take off WWE, SPI. You guys can let me know if AMC is doing anything crazy today. If you guys see the TME break 300, let me know. I have Zevo and Meds. Any also. We'll keep an eye on NC. I will keep an eye on. Cutting in and out. Anybody else having that problem? Omar says sound is cutting in and out. Is that true? Here's my continuous sound. I am talking continuously. It is. It's kind of cutting in and out. Let me switch over to the other mic. Well, now it's working fine. Yeah, I mean, you guys are saying yes, but it's better now. Okay. Well, all right. If it's better now, then I'll keep going. All right. Thanks, guys. Okay. Still going down the list. We got any, and let me take a look at any because we Stock Sharks talking about that one. CLF is more bullish than that. And Meds, holy Toledo on Meds. Is that a buyout offer? I got to double check on this. Bunch of MedChex Health Passport app for iOS devices. Well, shoot, that must be a really low float because that puppy is moving like mad. Let me see. Oh, wow. Float 3.8 million shares. Dude, I think I'm probably going to get some of that right now. That is a low ass float for what's going on. Meds, MEDS. So you're figuring $1.50 of risk. How, John Beecher? To that pivot point just below 5. Is that what you're thinking? Yeah. There's another pivot point just like it. You are probably looking at the 5-minute chart. You need to look at like a 1 or a 2-minute to get enough detail. There's another pivot at 5.5. Fine right now, 5.5. So it's really 50 cents of risk at the moment. Right, so I'm gonna get me some shares. Eds, MEDS. No options on that one, so good, because I'm trying to get you guys not to trade options too much. Shares better. Make sure your order is, I mean, if you're getting some with me, make sure your order is pre-market, and like a limit order is what it has to be. I'm surprised I didn't get filled. I must have set that order wrong. Also, the pre-market problem. That's fine. It's dropping anyway. Getting a better price once I replace this. Yep, that was the problem. Time and Force EXT if you're on Thinkorswim. And now it's back up to even. Okay, there we go. All right, that'll be a fun little position. Meds for 50 cents of risk. Take 1% of your portfolio, divide that result by 50 cents, 0.5. That's how many shares you can grab. All right, continuing to move on. That one looks pretty good. We've got OSAT, and that's already on. Watch. Xin, XIN. Let's see. Hey, everybody over on TikTok. Good morning. If you're new to the TikTok, click the link in my bio to make sure you come in and join my trading community of thousands. Let's see. So XIN was at 2.57, hit 3.75, pulled back to 3. And the float on that is not enough information. Okay, I'm going to refresh the Market Chameleon really quick. We've got 13 minutes to the market open. Adds OSAT Zevo. Zevo up 25% on 1.4 million shares traded. Zevo. Look. I prefer Zevo to TiVo. No, I'm just kidding. I like to Zevo everything. And the Zevo chart looks bad, but hey, if it can pop, great. Not bad, but basically it's lost all of its bullishness. That's what you can say to your partner when like you're thinking about getting divorced. You can be like, it's just we've lost all our bullishness in this relationship. 117% on MDLY, Meds, OSAT, Zevo, INI, Zin. All right, we already got that. Okay, good. Now, market cap relationship. Can we trade sideways and give a higher dividend to maintain our relationship? Yeah. I feel like this relationship has become a utility and not a growth relationship. And yet I don't feel I'm getting a big enough dividend. You need to be paying at least a 4% dividend, and I'm just not feeling it. I think I got to make a TikTok like that. That's a good one. Oh. Let's see. Edu up 10.8%. That's a lot for Edu. Let's take a look at that. Some VOO. That's right. There's no bullish hot dog in this relationship. Somebody said. That's good. I gotta find a bull. That's funny. Your PL ratio is simply not high enough. And Tal, we got Tal. Ooh, Edu is what a chart on Edu. Pre-market chart on Edu is as good as Meds, but not quite as big of a percent gain. But EDU, the risk on that would be the bottom of that curve there, so 9.7. It's currently 10.1, so 40 cents of risk on Edu, 40 cents of risk. I want to grab some of that. But we can wait to see if it breaks pre-market high, and then you can get in for 50 cents of risk. Especially if you only have a few day trades or whatever, you're subject to the pattern day trading rule. Yeah, don't be buying all these. Wait for the signal. What is a good price to exit on Meds? Yeah, we'll see. No idea. We don't play guessing games here. RH, that's Restoration Hardware. Boy, I have made a lot of money on a mega dip buy trade on them before. RH is up $61 to 672. Oh man, this could be the play of the day. I hope the market winds stay on our side. I'm moving that a little bit more front and center. RH. And putting that on the 5-minute chart over here. And on the high frequency trading system. Heads. So ideally, we'd be doing options on Robinhood, but you could, Robinhood on Restoration Hardware, but you can, that's RH, but you can just as easily, get shares. So we got 8 minutes to the open. Anybody new on the TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio to come join my trading community of thousands. All right, so I really like this. Wow, Restoration Hardware is just like whoosh, straight up. You guys should probably get shares. You got to do $30 of risk on that. Mother of Jesus. Restoration Hardware just zooming straight up. That's going to be a really, really incredible play. Nah, Yonghui MDLY is already crapping out and it's below VWAP and it's not making higher highs. Restoration Hardware. Wow. Edu. Wow. Meds. Wow. Get off that other shit. Nothing going on those compared to what I just said. About $30 of risk on Restoration Hardware if you want to get some shares right now pre-market. Whoa! Just popped up. What was that? $5. Whoa! Restoration Hardware on a real run. $683 it just hit. RH. What percentage is it up? That's pretty good, 10%. Now, I'm going to be waiting for it to drop and then turn around on a 5-minute candle. That'll provide two things. One, safest entry, lowest risk, which means number two, you can buy maximum number of shares. So, yeah. Its price target is 750. Lordy. I hope it drops at the open and we get a 5-minute candle entry. My God. That's going to be killer. Make sure you do your $30 of risk calculation and figure out how many shares you can risk. Because if you can't risk even 50 shares, you can't buy even one option. If you can only risk, let's say, 10 shares, then get 10 shares. Can't buy 10 shares, don't buy in. This is like, that's why we have the math there. It tells you what you can afford and what you can't afford. GoTo, GOTU, a $3.8 billion market cap company, is up 8%. Add up. Let's see what that's about. And also, it's done 4 million. Oh, no, that's meds. Excuse me. All right. Well, oh my God, 687 on Restoration Hardware. RH 689.50. Anybody get in already? You're now at I think it's like $50 of risk, so you now are even at a higher point. 50, no, 40. 80. No, 90. We got $40 of risk. RH. Yeah. Restoration Hardware. RH. There you go. Yeah. Hitting 689.68. But here's the thing. It may very well pull back on the open or somewhere, and then that's the best place to strike. But if it doesn't, if it just takes off out of the gate really strong, it comes with higher risk, but you could try entering there. Right. The stop is 650 currently. That maybe could be adjusted. Let me see here. You could actually probably make the stop 660. Probably 660. You could probably actually make the stop 660. So you do actually have about $30 of risk again. All right, we've got 3 minutes to the market open, and I'm double checking if there's any other big caps up big. Not anything up really big. BCTM maybe, but only on 19,000 shares. VRNA, there we go, up 15%. VRNA, oh, that's not a big cap, but we'll take a look at it. And we've got 2 minutes and 30 seconds to the market open. Everybody on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio. Got another baby ant on this desk. All right, 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes in the market open. And I hope that SPY Doesn't do anything funny with us today. Got Powell, I believe, coming on later today for notes, for summary notes on the numbers this morning. So the market may just kind of hold low volume. All we might get is like the first 30 minutes to open here for volatility, right? Got 1 minute and 30 seconds. Everybody on TikTok, click the link in my bio to come trade with us live right now. We're about to turn off the TikTok feed. Link in my bio. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 15 seconds. All right, 50 seconds to the open. Why you turn off the feed? On Wednesdays, it's free. And then on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, you got to go over and join the group in the community. Click the link in my bio if you want to keep watching. We figured out what's best and what's hot this morning. So I got you that far. Now come click the link in my bio to keep it going. You can just be a free member. That's fine. No thanks. Then just fucking leave, Franco. We don't want you anyway. Bye. Let's get rid of the cheapskates right now. Let's do that. They don't want to make money. And the market is opening. And Meds is taking off. Robinhood, I'm praying we're going to get a bit of a dip here at the open. What did it do? A halt already? I'm not getting any feed from it. Robinhood. Restoration Hardware, RH. Hey, Meds is moving all around. You guys over on TikTok, we're going to be cutting the feed in just a second here. I'd love to see you over in my trading group community. You just got to click the link in my bio. All right, SPY is running up. There goes Meds. Let's watch pre-market breakouts on anything else, guys. Keep me posted. Like Edu, we want to watch for a break of 1025 on Edu. Unless anybody's already in Edu, that one has 50 cents of risk. I don't know what the hell's going on with Restoration Hardware. My feed is frozen. It's just like froze. What is going? Like no one is interested. What is up? Do you guys see that? And not all the market makers are there. I think it's like something broke. Literally, I've never seen that. Not all the market makers are bidding. Something funny is happening on Restoration Hardware. I think somebody tripped over the fucking wire over at NASDAQ. It's trading on the ACB market maker. Want to get some. That's really weird. I have not seen that. It's not halted, although it ought to. It probably ought to be. Yeah, that's really strange. All right, watch your Meds. Stop out is 5.5. Meds position. That is so strange. There we go. What is going on? Okay, Restoration Hardware is now at 683. I mean, I literally think, could it be that like just nobody's interested? That'd be hilarious. There goes Meds, way, way, way up. You guys getting some luck on Meds there. Woohoo! Meds. We're up 13%. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Whenever you get a really big lightning bolt like that, you consider taking off a teeny weeny bit. If you bought all at the beginning, you can take off a little in increments and it will still count as one day trade. All right, you guys over on TikTok, thanks very much for tuning in. I'd love to see you right now over in my Zoom. Just click the link in my bio and grab a free trial. Oh, Meds taking off. Look at that. It's going to halt at 711. 711. All right, Meds still pushing. There goes Robin Hood. Restoration Hardware, rather. Yeah, it's still not all the market makers are present over on Restoration Hardware. I think they're literally having like some glitches in their system. All right, there it goes, breaking pre-market high. That could be an entrance for you on Restoration Hardware, RH, and the market is at our backs. This could be good. Market win. That's what I meant to say. Some of you must be like, what? Yeah, it's behind you on the TV. No. The market wins. We've got a tailwind at our back. Yeah, Adju is about to break out, or it did. All right. Adju for 60 cents of risk. No, 50 cents of risk. Adju. Restoration Hardware just hit 698. This is going to be a piece of cake on Restoration Hardware, RH. Med still popping up. Where are we at? I'm still got about 11% of gains there. Looking for it to test 7 a little bit more. Our stop is still 550 on Meds. Well, we could probably take it up to 575 at this point. Who's in Restoration Hardware? Yeah, Ford is very bullish and green right at the moment, but it can have a green day. What I don't want it to see it do, and I'll go check on it now, is break the high of yesterday. And it did. All right, you guys, exit Ford, exit your Ford position. Get out of our Ford puts. Everybody listening, I'm going to signal that in the group. Go. I'm out. Exit your Ford puts. Not that it might not go down further, but yeah, this is just too many things in synchronization working against us. Let's take our profits. Get out. Okay, we're still in Meds and RH. When you got into RH, yeah, we'll use 680 as the risk point on RH. So that means there's only $12 of risk on RH. All right, RH just broke 700. If you have multiple shares, make sure you take a little bit off. You guys know how to handle these huge psychological numbers. That could be it. It could drop like a brick for the next 30 minutes, okay? You guys know how to handle 700. Let's say you have, I don't know, 5 shares because of your account size. Well, you could take one off right there. keep 80% of your position. Okay, we're still in meds, and SPY is rallying pretty hard too. By the way, I don't know if that's something you want to get in. If you want to get in SPY right now, it's something like $1.50 of risk. Maybe it's going to go up all day. CLF about to break out. CLF. IP. Self puts. Gotta go over to my alerts. Exit. Okay. CLF. Yep, that was the break on CLF. Edu's not really pushing. Did anybody get into Edu? NCTY just broke pre-market high and is breaking through yesterday's high. I like it. NCTY. The risk is $2. $2. NCTY. You got an Edu. Okay, your stop is 9.7. We might be getting stopped out of meds right now. Watch yourselves. Meds, if it breaks 5.75 for more than 20 seconds and a nickel or so, we got to get out. I'm getting my order ready right now, just in case. Okay, I'm ready, just in case that happens. How you guys doing on RH? WMC, get in, he says. Let's take a look. Meds is flying again. Great. That's why, we set our stops where we set them. Med said, fuck you. Hiya. And it just ripped. I don't even know if it's an Asian company, but we're going Bruce Lee on it this morning. And anyway, Bruce Lee was, I don't know, did Bruce Lee ever get his actual American citizenship? Should be. He's an American hero, but they probably consider him a hero in Taiwan or China, whichever. All right, yeah, UWMC looking really, really good. You can go ahead and get in that. That's 70 cents of risk, you guys. WMC, 70 cents of risk. Okay, I'll keep AMC up in the corner here since you guys in it. You did not exit your Ford puts yet. Ford is now coming back down a little bit. It continues to move up. Let's say it breaks another new high of the day. You got to get out. Or now's your chance to get out at a better price. Or who knows, maybe Ford tanks even further. You have lots of choices before you now if you didn't get out yet. Okay, yeah, AMC only broke pre-market highs. I don't think that's going to be enough for it to get up and over yesterday's high. All right, there goes Restoration Hardware, pushing up, pushing up. All right, Meds failed to retest the high. That's not bullish, guys. That's not bullish. So I think you should de-risk some on that. Out. half my position. I mean, after all, we're still up, right? I mean, what did we get in at? I think we got in around 6, so still doing good. But it looks like it may not follow through. So there you go. I had OCGN up. Wasn't anything much happening there. What did you want me to check out? Oh yeah, oh yeah. OCGN, yeah. It looks like it wants to go and fill the gap. There's a huge congestion zone it's pushing into though with bag holders. I think it's gonna get trapped. Stay away from that one. That's one's not quite the setup we're looking for. Yeah, I mean, hey, if you want to risk it, go ahead, and it could work out. But it's not like the full setup that we like to look for. It's not the safest. Okay, Ford just turned red on the day. So if you're not out on your Ford puts, keep holding. Might just turn red. Yeah, we already called UWMC. The out is $10.01. So the stop therefore is, I mean, so your risk is 40 cents at the moment if you haven't got in yet. Okay, meds is starting to turn up a little bit. This is a positive sign. Oh yeah, meds just broke a 5-minute candle. Oh yeah, oh look at it go. Look at that. Ooh, very nice. We're back to 13% gains, 14, 17% rather on my end. You guys, that's a lot for a stock. Okay, we're about to halt on meds. First halt, come on. You can do it, meds. 7, it's about to halt. No. Come on, let it halt. Oh, damn. People are starting to sell. Okay, come on, push through 7. Come on, you can do it. The next halt level is 727. Oh, okay, what's the situation on Bark? I think we got in Bark yesterday. It's up. Looking good on Bark. Right, meds just broke through. All right, it's pushing up to that 727 level. Dudes, we're doing so good on meds. Woo, really nice. Restoration Hardware just wants to sit at 700. Hopefully, you've de-risked some or taken some profits rather on Restoration Hardware. Here goes Spy with bullish hot dog on the 5-minute and the 2-minute chart. That's a really good sign on the market S&P 500. That might push Restoration Hardware up as well. Yeah, I think it's going to. It may not hit 750, guys. It might, but definitely do not let go of all of your position until we hit the all out signal. Welcome to take partial profits anywhere you like. You're welcome to de-risk anytime you like. But please, this one could really, really run. Any one of these could really, really run. Stay in until the all out. Okay, Workhorse is doing fine. Right, over on meds, it's probably going to pull back to like 650 point here. OTS though, oh yeah. There goes Restoration Hardware, new high on Restoration Hardware. And Ford, in fact, is going red. So you're actually safe on Ford if you didn't get out yet. There goes Restoration Hardware. Oh, yeah. Who's got shares? Who's got options? What's your percentage? Good. 705 we hit. 705.5. All right, Med's doing its second pullback. That's all right. Right, Preston, that might be too much for you. You never know, right? Did you figure it out? Might have been okay. When did you get that? At what price was it at when you got it? Yeah, but John, you got out of Ford at a profit, right? Am I right, John? I did. We exited Ford at a profit, I believe. Isn't that right, John? Yeah. So we can't kill ourselves too much, but I'll tell you this: you can re-enter if it breaks the low of yesterday. Okay, that would be a definite re-entry. Till then, we made the right decision for now. All right, Med's pulling back. Did you guys take some profits on that last lightning bolt run? It's okay to do that. It didn't quite hit the psychological level of 750-ish, 740, right in there. Med's new stop 6-1. No, no, still five. It's actually like 580. Still pretty wide. 580. On this next run, it'll probably raise up. I hope. Knock on wood. Knock on particle board. Right. Wow. We got a bit of a pullback on Restoration Hardware. Now remember, today might turn out to be a pretty low volatility day, a low volume rather day, because we're waiting for the Fed report later. We have a couple of IPOs today, so even if I end the session early, we'll be back. IPOs, but I don't think I will. We'll see what happens. Microsoft's a good long, a good investment. I don't think you buy and sell Microsoft. Buy it. A pretty strong pullback on meds. I hope it finds some support around 6.1. Nothing big. There's a health one that looks pretty. Nothing interesting. I mean, nothing you probably have ever heard of. All right. Everything's pulling back at the moment. Market is not. So I don't know how the market doesn't pull back, but every momentum trade we're in is. All caps getting hammered, I guess. Everybody's going after the big utility and growth companies. Yeah, utilities are freaking way up. Right? For whatever reason, people want tried and true right now. Utility, safety. Is it too late to get in meds? No, you can get in now. The stop is still 5.8, and so that's about 60 cents a risk from right now. The 1% of your portfolio divided by 60 cents, that's how many shares you can get. Okay, Ryan. If you de-risked earlier on meds, if you de-risked and you have unlimited day trading ability, then yeah, you could add a little more right here and top back up to that 1% of risk if you wanted. But don't ever get yourself into more than 1% risk on any trade. It seems like SPY is going to end up like holding here until the Fed meeting. I don't know, because I think we're only going to get about 30 minutes of volatility on the market. And that's pretty much right here. It happens. New to the group. Hello, Scott. Welcome. Somebody sending me a message. Let me make sure it's not somebody that needs some help. Tags here. Need me. What is it? Okay. Restoration Hardware is actually the one probably doing the best out of all these that I'm watching here. AMC's kind of crapping out. UWMC is about to stop out for you, $10.01. Should you get out of Bark? I think it's up. Why would you get out of Bark? It's up from yesterday. Went on. Are you looking at a daily chart? Not like intraday. I mean like daily, day-to-day candles. Okay. Okay, great, Steven. Steven, you just peeled off of the 1% lesson in the 1% rule. All right. You know, it's funny, Steven, I thought you had already been taking the course, but yeah, I saw you registered this morning. I was like, that motherfucker isn't taking any of these courses yet. Way to go, man. MDLY, no, man, nothing going on there. No, we're going after, we're on Restoration Hardware, and that's RH. And we're hanging out in meds right now, MEDS. You could, if you want to get in meds, you still could right now for about 50 cents of risk. So take what is 1% of your total portfolio, and then take that number and divide it by 50 cents, 0.5. That's how many shares you can get. I should call it like the magic formula instead of the 1% rule, you know, because people hear the 1% rule and they're like, dude, that is crazy fucking conservative. I'm only going to be able to buy 1% of a stock. That's not how it works. That's not how it works. In fact, you might not even have enough money in your account when you're done doing the formula to buy all the shares that it tells you to buy. Understand? What's up, bro? Call it. Start here. I don't know. I missed what I was saying. All right, SPY's grinding up. Restoration Hardware stop, by the way, is 689. That should do it. 689. Alex freaking, I mean, Faraz loves deer. He owns that. I mean, like, every which way that one goes. What's up with deer? How's it doing? How's the industrials doing today? Also, utilities are way up, though. Everybody wants the utilities, and that's usually a sign of things not being in good shape. You know, who wants safety? Like, at what time would you rather choose to invest in safety? unsafe moments, right? So yeah, that is an indication